it's my favorite shirt. Like, I'm always like, oh, I wish it was Christmas time just so I could wear that shirt. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Manders. We do a lot of beauty related videos here. I love to do some unboxings. I love makeup and eyeshadow, and I usually drop things. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos, which will be going on the whole month of December, so stick around. I am so freaking excited. So I am so excited to be sharing my monthly favorites for the month of November with you guys. I have been trying to film this video for months. Like August I said I was going to do it. September I said I was going to do it. October I said I was going to do it. November I was supposed to do it. So I'm finally doing one now. I'm like, holy smokes, Amanda. It's been months. Here, we're going to talk about the products that I have honestly been dying to use, I guess. I've been reaching for these more and more. These are not eyeshadow palettes. I am going to put those in totally separate videos, so get excited for that one. Or don't. I hope you get excited for that one. And I'm going to stop rambling because I do that a lot, and we are just going to get right into it. So the first product that I have been absolutely loving lately, which was a huge surprise for me, was this one. So this is by Pop Sugar, I think that's what it's called. I don't know. So this is a nice blush. I received this in an Ipsy, and it's just so it's so creamy feeling. Very creamy, very buttery. It sits really nice on the skin. So I have been loving this lately. It's funny because I had a bronzer from the same brand that I really didn't, it was like scratchy, and I really didn't enjoy the product. It was really hard to work with. It didn't blend into my skin at all. But this one was a pleasant surprise. So I was super excited about it. So yay, whatever brand this is. Please tell me if you remember, because all it says is Sugar, but that's not the brand name, and I can't remember. So please help me. I feel like I'm going crazy right now. Yeah. Next up is a powder. So this is the Becca Hydro Mist powder. I have been using this almost every single day. Today is like the first day I didn't use this, probably for the entire month of November. Like, that is honestly, this has been the only powder I have been using. The only thing is it broke. So, and I have not been able to fix it. So it doesn't feel as cold as it once did, but it's still a really nice powder. So I'm going to keep using it. And I received this in a BoxyCharm, and it's been such a win for me that I was like, yeah, this made that BoxyCharm worth it for me. And I love when that happens. And it usually does happen. I usually get like one product out of a subscription box where I'm like, that made it worth all of my money. So next up is my MAC paint pot. So this is in the shade Painterly. I have been using this non-stop. I use it all the time. I don't even think I've talked about this in a favorites video yet, because I only bought it like I think in the summertime. So yeah, I'm really excited. I use this all the time. I used it for today's look. It's a really good product, and it makes my eyeshadow look good even when sometimes it's not the best quality, if that makes sense. Like, I find that my eyeshadow usually looks pretty good on a day where I use this. So very good MAC Cosmetics. Next up is a new product for me, but I really, really like it. This is my Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub. This is in the shade Orange Soda, and it smells like orange soda and it tastes like orange soda, so it's pretty freaking cool. So I really like this. I ordered this for my last Beautylish haul, where I ordered the Shane Dawson palette and a few other goodies. So I've been using this a lot, and I really, really do like it. So, and a little bit goes a long way. Like, seriously, a little bit goes a long way. I'm like not sure how I'm ever going to use all of this. So good job, Jeffree Star. Next up, this is a product that I'm pretty sure I've talked about not liking, because we have a love-hate relationship, and that is my NARS Laguna bronzing powder. I do believe I love to hate this product, but lately I've been loving it. And I hit pan on it, and I was so excited. I think I was filming when I did it, and I was like, what is happening? So I've been loving this product. I don't know what it was. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't. Let me know, have you had that issue with NARS products? I know the Orgasm Blush is the same. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. So this has definitely been a win for me though this month, so I'm really excited that I put this in my pile to use for the month, which is pretty much what I've been doing. I've been sticking to the same products as best I can, because I am working on some project pans, and I just kind of want to use the same things so that I can tell you, like, honestly, what products did I reach for the most? What was my ride and die for this month? So I hope that makes sense. Speaking of project pans, this is from my project pan. This is Vulgar highlighting powder. This is in Shimmering Swan. It is like, I've been using it so much. Can you see the indent there? It's gonna hit pan soon. I'm super excited. I love this highlight. It truly gives me the most natural glow out of any highlight. And it's funny because there's one other highlight that I can say I think kind of was similar, and that was one of my Essence highlights, and I need to find that one now that I think about it, because it just gave me a natural type of glow, and I find that this one does the same thing. Even though it's a different form, like a totally different formula, it kind of gives me the same results. So I've been using this almost exclusively, except for the next product that I'm going to talk about, which is another highlighter. So this one's pretty good. This one is amazing, and I feel like I said something like I didn't like this one too, but this is my Ofra Madison Miller highlighter. I know I used it the first time and I liked it, and then I used it another time and I was kind of like, meh, it's too glittery, but then I started using it again and I've been really enjoying this. I received this in an Ipsy. It's just very, I'm wearing it on my cheeks today. Like, it's a very, very nice highlight, and it's the first thing I've ever used from Ofra, so I really am excited to try some new products from them. Hopefully I'll be able to get one of their mystery boxes. I am doing a low buy for the most part. Black Friday I ordered one kit from ColourPop, so you guys will get to see that. It will be a Vlogmas. I will do an unboxing, and hopefully I'll get to use some of those shadows and other products that I did purchase to create some Christmas type videos.
Oh, and speaking of, it's Vlogmas Day 2, but I forgot to show you my shirt. What an idiot. Alright, so this is my favorite Christmas shirt. It says Cowabunga, and it's got the Ninja Turtles.
I have wore it in the summer before. Makes me really happy, so I'm gonna move on. We're gonna keep talking about products and not just my shirt. So I have another bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. I wasn't sure about this. At first I was like, okay, well, it's nice. Is it like wow worthy? But then I really started using it because it's one of the products I picked for this month, and honestly I have been pretty satisfied with it. So I am making kind of a dent in it as well because I've been using it so much. And I don't usually contour either. That's the other thing. So I will go through a bronzer a little bit faster because I do bronze a little bit more because I don't usually use contour powder. So I have been using this. The one thing that's weird about Wet n Wild powders is the indent never goes away. Like, ever. It's like truly indented. It always looks like it's never going to go away. Sorry. I feel like I'm rambling. And I feel like I didn't pick enough products, but that's okay. So this is another product that I've been just using constantly. This is my Pixie by Petra blush. I received this in an Ipsy, and this is like a half size. This isn't even a full size blush, which I think is ridiculous. This should be just the full size because that's a pretty darn big pan. It does have a lot of kickback, but I just like to take it on a brush like this. This is actually my favorite brush to use with this product. I just take it on a brush like that. You can see all the kickback, and then I just tap it, but I also take a little bit on the back of my hand and then just add. We're just adding blush now to my face. I didn't need that, but yeah. So, and it's really nice. I use it all the time. I was really happy, and yay Pixie, because Pixie is a newer brand to me. I've only tried a few of their products, so I was pleasantly surprised with that, and I was really happy about it. Last product that I do want to talk about, because I can honestly say this is the only foundation I used for the entire month of November, the entire month of October. Oh no, not the entire month of October, because I did use a different one at one point. But this is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation. This is in the shade 122 Creamy Beige. I love this. This is probably my favorite foundation that I've ever had. When in doubt, I go for that one. And my makeup always looks better to me. I look more hydrated, which is funny because it's supposed to be a mattifying foundation, but I can tell you honestly, even just today, is the first day I'm not using it in a long time, and like I can see an emphasis of dryness in my face that I don't usually see when I use that product. So I had to put that in there because I've already filmed one of my videos, and I can honestly say like that my skin looks and feels drier than when I use that. So I really wanted to bring attention to that. So those are all the products that I have to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for hanging out with me. Let me know, is this the type of video you want to continue seeing? Because I really am like I'm writing things down more. I'm trying to stay more organized so that I can follow up on the things I say I'm going to follow up on. It is one of my biggest flaws. I'm sorry. I cannot thank you guys enough for hanging out with me. I absolutely love you guys. Happy Vlogmas. I love my Cowabunga shirt with the Ninja Turtles on it. I am so glad you guys came to hang out with me. And also let me know in the comments below, do you like any of these products or do you hate any of these products? So I love these products. So now I'm going to get ready for my next video, which hopefully I will see you guys in. Have that notification bell rang, and I will see you later.